Alright guys, on this problem we're just simplifying this rational expression. So what that means is we're trying to factor and cancel. If you look at both of these, the numerator and denominator, they're both trinomials with a coefficient in front of x squared. What that means is I need to use bottoms up. So I'm going to start with the top, okay, and just work on it first. So I've got 14x squared minus x minus 3. So I take this 14, multiply it over here. So I've got x squared minus x minus 42. Then factor this. Factors into minus 7 and plus 6. Don't forget to go back and divide by the 14. Then we're going to reduce those. So 7 over 14 reduces to 1 over 2. 6 over 14 reduces to 3 over 7. Don't forget to bring the numbers back up in front. So we've got 2x minus 1 and 7x plus 3. So I'm going to go stick that back in. So we've got 2x minus 1, 7x plus 3. Now I'm going to go and do the same thing to the bottom. So we've got 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Multiply the 2 over here. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 6. Factor this. Get minus 6 minus 1. Divide by the 2. Reduce this to 3. This one won't reduce, so pull the 2x minus 1 there. So we've got x minus 3, 2x minus 1. And then you can cancel. So we're going to cancel 2x minus 1. And that leaves me with 7x plus 3 over x minus 3. And remember, you cannot cancel those 3's because of that plus and minus in the middle. So that is your final answer.